Now, let's go ahead and pick a K-cup. We're going to go ahead and do the Caribou Reindeer Blend. And we're going to put it right, oops, we got the other K-cup in there, but we're going to go ahead and put that in. It says, so basically you take your K-cup and this base area, you just put it in there and press down, okay, until it's been punctured at the bottom. And then you go ahead and twist the cup base on top. If it's already got water in there, you want to be a little bit more careful, but I'm going to pour hot water into it instead of putting this in the microwave. Okay, so there we go. Then you take the cup you're going to brew with and you set it on top. Okay, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and fill mine to the 8-ounce level. And that's 8 ounces right there. Then I'm going to put the lid on top, get it into place, and then we just go ahead and press it down. I hope you guys can see it brewing. It's done. All right, so, and there it is. Okay, so there it is. Where's me a spoon? Okay, and I'll show you. It's gone ahead and made a really nice cup of coffee. Very nice. Nice cup of coffee. Okay, let me go ahead and put some sugar. Let me taste it like this first. Hold on. It's perfectly wonderful. That is a great K-cup coffee. This is something you can put in a little lunch sack and take it with you to work, take it with you to school, take it with you wherever you need to go. If you're going to the hospital to visit somebody, you can take it with you that way. And again, it has its own little My Joe My Cup refillable filter here, so you can have whatever kind of coffee you want with this, just like you can with a Keurig. And this one has 6, 8, and 10 ounce options, just like your Keurig. So basically, it's like they've taken the Keurig and put it into a portable size that you guys can take with you wherever you go. It makes it very easy. You do have to press down on the plunger more than once, but big deal. Really big deal, especially since this area, the cup itself, is microwavable. You can put it in the microwave. So, I mean, how convenient is this little thing? You can have all the convenience of your Keurig to go. You know, for people that are roommates, that have roommates that are in college, or, you know, you just want to keep your stuff separate from your boyfriend, or, you know, your daughter does, or, you know, your son wants to keep his stuff separate from his girlfriend, whatever. He just wants his own little thing, his own little area. And you don't trust maybe their company coming in and playing with your machine. This is the better option. It's a no risk buy. Absolutely. And I'm very pleased with it, you guys. I really love it. It's cute. It's retro. It's shaped just like, a retro cappuccino machine. It has the hourglass shape. And, to me that says coffee. So they did a really good job on trying to keep the spirit of coffee in every aspect of this little convenient manual coffee press. So this is an excellent My Joe single cup coffee maker. And I hope you guys give it a try. Blessed be.
That looks like coffee. That looks like coffee. Get right there. Zoom in. They want to see the coffee. Go down here. That looks like a dark brew. That looks like coffee. That. Of course, you would brew it right in the cup. There's some sediment. Ooh, there's some liquid in there. So that's going to be the hardest part right there, cleaning that out. Well, when you're in the woods.